Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be an easy classic holiday glam makeup look. This look is going to be easy when you want to do something simple but fun for the holidays. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any new video. I primed my list. So for eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the Milani Glided Rouge eyeshadow palette. This is it, the packaging. And then when you open it, it has all these beautiful colors, shimmer shades. I really love this. So the first shade I'm going to use is called Over Baked. So I'm gonna use, since they don't have like a soft matte brown shade for as a transition shade, so I'm just gonna go with this one right here. It's called Over Baked. And it's super pigmented. Whew. Look at all that. Then for the outer corner, I'm taking this shade right here. That is called Sangria. And that's going to go to the crease, to the outer corner. This is like a pink shade, but it's very pretty. Now, the best part for the lid, I'm going to use this sparkles. I was going to use this, but it's too much red, as you can see. So I want to pop it up with this, like this. It has like purple sparkles in it. This shade is called Wifey, so I'm using this one right now. And let me just swatch it so you guys can see the Wifey shade. Look how pretty. So pretty. So I'm gonna test this. I don't know how it's gonna look. I'm just experimenting with makeup. So far, this eyeshadow palette, it is so pigmented. It is definitely worth your money. It's a little pricey, like Milani's eyeshadows, and there's like other drugstore on the markets that like have way better affordable palettes, but this thing was $20. Yes, that's right, but it's worth it. It has all these beautiful shades. So this is the eye look. Hope you guys like this. So let's move it on for eyeliner. I'm gonna use my Dose of Colors. I've been loving this eyeliner so much. This is the Dose of Colors Caviar eyeliner. Love the packaging, love the metal stainless steel packaging. So beautiful. And these come in a lot of colors, but I typically use black eyeliners. I just love black eyeliners, but I've been loving this Dose of Colors eyeliner. It's amazing. I haven't tried their foundation and concealer yet, but hopefully that video will be up next year. Yeah, next year or next month. That video will be up, like full face, using Dose of Colors. Okay, I'm gonna use it right now. And it's so creamy. This eyeliner is super creamy, and that's why I love it. And it just glides on your lids, and it's long lasting too. Because when I went to a party, it lasts through for the entire night. I was pretty surprised. So Dose of Colors, love it. For mascara, I'm gonna use my It Lash Blowout mascara. I love this mascara. When you use this mascara, you won't be needing any falsies whatsoever. So this is like a 1, 2, 3 on the go holiday, quick, fast, in a rush, like lashes mascara. Love it. If you guys haven't tried this out, you definitely gotta try this out. It's available at Ulta Beauty and Sephora for only like 25 bucks. I love it. It gives your lashes extremely volume. Look at it. It looks like I have like... Now let's get into the skin. So for primer, I'm going to use my Catrice Primifying Poreless Blur Primer. So I'm also, in my upcoming videos coming up soon, I found a dupe of this. So I'm going to do a comparison video on this in my upcoming videos. So please watch out for this video. So this is Catrice Primifying Poreless Blur Primer. Goodbye Pores. Now for foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline Dream Urban Cover foundation. This is full coverage. It's in the shade 310 Sun Beige. So this foundation is great in the holidays when you want that full coverage look, especially when you go into a party and whatnot. You need something full coverage that will last you through the whole night. Yeah. So I am taking some on the palm of my hand. And if you guys have seen my last video of my BoxyCharm this month, I have received these brushes. This is the big one. So I'm going to test this out now with this foundation to see how it is. So okay, to be honest with you, this BoxyCharm brush, it really sucks up a lot of product. But it does the blending ring, but it sucks up a lot of product. Look, I'm empty. I just squeezed a whole bunch of product on the palm of my hand, and it just sucked everything up, this brush. But so far the bristles is okay, so and whatnot. For concealer, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and the shade is Cashew. So right now I'm blending it with a fluffy concealer brush with my T-zone, and then I'm blending it out. To set my concealer, I'm using my Covergirl Trublend Loose Powder, and the shade is Fair. And it's like this fair shade. It looks dark, but trust me, when you start applying it and blend it out, it matches you perfectly. Love it. So basically this is for light to medium skin tones, but they do have banana shade and darker shades, if you guys wondering about the shade range. But I love this. I did a first impression on this, by the way. For browns, I'm using my Milani Silky Matte Bronzer. The shade is Sunlight. For highlighter, I'm gonna use my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Vanilla Quartz. See. So pigmented. And then last and final thing is lips, the moment you've been waiting for. So you know how I always use mauve pink shades, mauve brown shades. I got a red shade, so today I'll be using Stilla Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rubuno. This is it. I wanted something really, this is like a really classic lip, so and I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Look how beautiful this color. So beautiful. And a little goes a long way. And it also makes your lips very nice and matte. So this is the Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick by Stilla. I know you heard of it. I heard this brand, but I never tried their products out. But their their liquid lipstick seems to be very great. It is very creamy, it's very hydrating, and right now it's turning instantly matte, and that's what makes it very long lasting. And then finally, I'm going to use my Tarte Ready Set Spray. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this easy classic holiday glam makeup look. The lipstick is the bomb. I really love it. And if you guys want to get this same eye look that I got, and you want to try this out for the holidays, creating this eye look like what I did today, please go ahead and get the Milani Glided Rose eyeshadow palette. You will thank me later. It has all these sparkly shades and it's great for the holidays now. And it costs, retails is $20, and they are available at Ulta Beauty website and in stores too. So definitely gotta check it out. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.